In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI to write computer code completely free of charge. So you can open your Canva and you log in, come to the Canva dashboard. You can come to Canva AI over here and you have the option to use the code for me option. So you click on code for me and then you can paste in the prompts that you have, right? It's mobile friendly HTML5 game where a red circle moves to a random position each time it's tapped, okay? And the score increases as you tap the circle. Use HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. So I can just go ahead and click on enter. And this is going to create that game for me that I can test for you on the screen to see the power of this particular AI tool. All right, and the game is ready. We can see the instructions and then you can go ahead and say start the game. You can see the box. Once you hit, it's going to score 1. You can hit again, go to the next point, you can hit again. This is really interesting. You can keep hitting until you play the game to the end. Okay, so this is how to play in the game, or you can use this AI tool to generate any code in any game, any website, or any calculator that you want to generate easily. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.